In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a T-chart using Microsoft Word. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be able to use T-charts for various purposes, such as organizing information for teaching or planning projects. Let's dive into it. First, what you'll want to do is open your Microsoft Word file. This is your foundation where everything will be built. Whether you're starting with a new document or working with an existing one, making sure your document is open and ready is the first step on our journey today. Next, you'll head over to the top menu and look for the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is like your toolbox, offering a range of options to bring different elements into your document, and today we're going to focus on tables. Go ahead and click on the Table button. Now for our example here, let's create a basic 2x2 table. This setup gives you a starting point, and the beauty of tables is that they're flexible. Adjust as needed based on the data or content you have. Now that your table is in place, select the entire table by clicking the small 4-arrow icon in the top left corner of the table. With your table selected, you'll want to right-click to bring up more options. From this menu, choose Table Properties. This is where we get to start modifying our table to fit our needs. Within the Table Properties window, direct your attention to the button labeled Borders and Shading. Clicking this will take us to a new section where we can customize the look of our table. This step is crucial for transforming a standard table into a T-chart. To do that, we'll adjust the borders. Under the Preview tab, you'll see a little diagram of your table. Click on the lines at the top, bottom, left, and right. You're effectively turning off these borders, leaving just the vertical line in the middle that divides our table. This is what creates the iconic T shape that makes a T-chart so recognizable. And just like that, you're done. At this point, you've successfully transformed a 2x2 table into a T-chart. This format is now ready to help you with comparison tasks, pros and cons lists, or anything that requires a clear division of information into two distinct categories. It's a simple yet effective tool. So there you have it, a concise yet efficient method to create T-charts in Microsoft Word. This customization allows you to be as creative and precise as you need to be with your information layout. Practice this a couple of times, and soon you'll be able to whip up a T-chart almost automatically. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips like this one.